5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Everyday makeup, affordable drugstore. I am just going to use 3 products to create this affordable drugstore everyday makeup. Keep watching. There is an I am coming in there. First product, Milani Nectar. It's a corrector. I correct everywhere I need correction, including under my eyes and my lids, because remember, I'm using 3 products to create this affordable everyday drugstore makeup. Corrector is on. That's the first thing. I am just pressing it into the skin. If you want, you can brush it in the skin. Under the eyes, I am making sure I cover all the darkness. I'm correcting that because I am using 3 products to create this 5 minutes everyday makeup application. Second product, L'Oreal True Match, and it is C8 Cool Medium Deep. I shake it already. Put some right in the back of my hand. Then I dab everywhere I want it to be before I blend it in. Same brush, a brush I bought from Amazon, a brush set. And I'll go over it with a sponge once I have it in the skin. And then my eyes also, because we are using 3 products. And now I just brush on my forehead, down the sides. Number 2. I take a damp sponge and I go over it. I am setting it at the same time I am removing excess. Third product, it is Maybelline Matte Plus Polish Press Face Powder 360 Mocha. I'm going to use that to set the foundation that I just put on. And this is our third product. We are using drugstore affordable products to create an everyday makeup look. I just take a big brush and I'm going to put it everywhere to set everything that I put down. I have oily skin, so I use the one size oil soccer primer. Today's I am constantly growing and learning. You are constantly growing and learning. We learn something new every single day, whether we are aware of it or not. We do learn something new every single day. 3 affordable drugstore products to create a 5-minute makeup application look. This is it right here. Tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try 3 products. It doesn't have to be the same brand, but 3 products to create a quick, simple, everyday makeup look. This is it. Thank you all for watching. Remember to share this video. And until I see you and you see me, keep rising. Keep rising. Bye.